SAMEBIKE RS-A02 1200W folding fat tire electric bike. Long-range battery. With its removable 48V 17AH battery design, you can travel up to 65 kilometers on pure electric power or 90 kilometers with assistance on just one charge, making long-distance travel a breeze. (1200W brushless motor). Unleash the power of 1200W electric bike and elevate your riding experience to new heights. Shock absorber system. The fork and rear suspension minimize roadside bumps and greatly improve riding comfort. Hydraulic disc brakes. 50% shorter braking distance comparing to mechanical brakes to enhance your riding safety, stability, and steering. Conquer any terrain. Tackle all terrains with ease on the 20-inch fat tires, providing superior stability and grip, making every ride a breeze. SAMEBIKE RS-A02 1200W folding fat tire electric bike.